Hello, SolidWorks users. Shine is here. In this demonstration, I'm going to show you making a part which is related to the first assessment task. So here I captured a screenshot from the dimensions, and so let's start from this bottom line here. I start with a center line and then one vertical line from this edge. These are the reference lines, and then one line parallel to that one, which is offset 10 mil to the left, and let's make that size 10 mil. So I just from starting from the bottom, one small line here is, let's put 1 point here, and the second point is that center, the third point is this one. So we start with free hand positioning of the point and then adding dimension to those. So from here to there, make this 3 mil, and from here to here, making it 18, and from this point to here, making that 50. Okay, at point 50, let's have a horizontal reference line. And then from here, I know the dimension to the top edge is 48. Adding a dimension from top edge is, say, here. That make it 48. And then coming down 28, another point here. So this point is here, that's 28. Measured from the top. And if I draw a reference line passing through here, then another reference line is 5 mil above that. Okay, now I think we can get started with adding a line between these 2 points. And a quarter of circle starting from this edge to, so that is center point arc, starting from here, here, and let's bring that to nearly here. Then making a radius of 50 from that center with a small arc. So that's here, bring that to nearly over there. From this center point, I make a radius of 48. From this center point, and just from here, make a arc up to here, radius of 48. I think these dimensions, we have to freeze them to prevent them from changing. So that, for example, that should be 48 somehow. And next thing is from this center is that line, this line here. I have to trim the lower part of this one to make this a point. Now an arc starting from here, radius of 12. Say from here to here, and the radius is 12. Just from that quarter, drawing a vertical line. And then from end of this circle, I need an arc which is joining this curve to this curve with a radius of 72. So let's make that circle separately. Radius of 72 and freezing the radius. Okay, so I bring that circle nearly there. And then we want this arc and that arc to be tangent. And also this arc and that arc to be tangent. So now that excess can be trimmed. this seems to be a straight line coming from that quarter down. So from this quarter, I draw a line vertically down, nearly to here, and then 20 mil to the right, and then vertically, this is 20 plus 3 plus 2, that's 25. So 25, this point is above this line. Now the center of this arc is specified. And now let's start this up to here. And okay, so 3 mil we go down from that center. So just keeping the lower part of that, and that should be 3 mil. 3 mil. Arc. Now let's have a look at this arc 40. So 40, I can make a line or construction line somewhere here, which is 40 mil above that bottom reference line. That is 40. Okay, let's construct an arc which is sitting somewhere on this line and passing through this lower edge. And the radius is 40. Well, that's not quite what you expect, so let's do that again. So now, how do I know? So let's make a circle. Radius of 40. So the center should be somewhere if I extend that line to here. Okay. Now I know that this arc is tangent to here and passing through that edge over there. So how this can be done? Let's make a circle. Say from here, and the radius is 40, and adding a small dimension. Yeah, doesn't need a small dimension because that's tangent to here, but we want the periphery of this one and this point here, both of them selected, to be coincide. Okay, now that looks like it. And then all we have to do is just get rid of the extras, and that portion is orphan. Just get rid of it. Okay, so almost done. I have to go 10 from here to there, and then that line is here. I make a hand free line passing through here to there, and then making the angle between these two 15 degrees. So the angle between this line and that line, small dimension, this line and 28. This one has to be 15 degrees. Go to small dimension, choosing the okay. So how can I specify? Let's extend this line. Extending this line is here. So extend it up to here, and then adding a angle between this line and this line. For some reason, I'm not getting the angle. Okay. Okay. I think that 5 mil should go below this. The 5 mil is not above that reference, is below the reference. So make it 5 mil. And now the center of that arc is center of that arc 12. It has to be further down. Let's repeat that arc. I just extend that line over here, and from this point we make a arc with a radius of 12. Radius of 12, and then this has to be tangent to that line. To this line here. Okay, all we have to do is now just remove the see if we can extend that arc. Yes, we can. And also extending it further here and up to here. Now this line has to be done again from end of this arc, go vertically down. Okay, let's see if we can define an angle between small dimension between yes, something not quite right with this line. That's it. All right. So that has to be 15 degrees. And so I make that line a bit longer. And now from here, we make an arbitrary line. Now with this line, that and this one, the angle should be 15 degrees. Okay, and now I mirror that line down, go to mirror, and I want to mirror this one and mirror about that line here. Okay, all right, so here the intersection with that one should be modified. And these ends are modified. Maybe I don't need that line anymore. Okay, what I do is just change that to the construction or symmetry line. And then that apex should be rounded with a radius of 10. Radius of 10, apex rounded. And here you are. I think that shape is finished. And it's ready for extrusion. All right, how do you check sketch? There is a sketch tool called sketch repair. And if I test This one, it seems there is no gap. And now I can simply go to the feature and have this one extruded for 5 mil. Here you have it. That is the part which is called keyhole saw handle, and just we have to introduce an aluminum alloy 60,000 series 6061 alloy. Apply those. Now you can easily find out the mass of this shape. This is only 79 grams. And if you want to make a drawing out of that, simply go to the file, make drawing. You have to save this first. I'm just saving that on my network if I can. All right, so the network drive that I'm saving this one too. That is here. And I've got my folio out there. Task 1 and 2. This is called keyhole saw handle. Save. Now this is being saved. You can make a drawing out of that. Table block A4 size paper, and drop the front view right here. And the rest is simply going to the annotation, adding few center marks, and that is next step is adding dimension. So I hope this video helped you in completing the part, and thank you for watching the video. Take care.